We make up horrors to help us deal with the real ones. Hey, how's it going? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Bitcoin and Coffee. I'll be your host, Eugene Forrest. So, what are we looking at today with these crazy cryptocurrency markets? Well, it looks like we had quite the scare over the weekend. I mean, we've seen the Bitcoin price, drop down below 6,000. I mean, the altcoins took a much bigger hit. Looks like we're picking up a little bit of BTC dominance, not a lot. I mean, it was looking a little bigger, started dropping off a bit as we're seeing the cryptocurrencies take some gains this morning. So let's flip over here to CoinMarketCap and let's go ahead and refresh this page. See what we're looking at. Oh, it looks like the feed's coming in pretty choppy today. Let's see if I can help that out a bit. All right. So what do we got going on with CoinMarketCap? Well, we got a market cap that's barely holding on at $250 billion. We got about 16.4 billion traded in the last 24 hours, but we got a BTC dominance that's coming in at 41.7%. I mean, we had seen the number a little higher, starting to slink backwards as we were watching the cryptocurrency altcoins grow. We got Bitcoin coming in at $6,131. That's up 3.2% at the moment. I mean, we're all glad that we're holding back onto the other side of $6,000. We started hearing the horror stories of the potential $4,000 Bitcoin again, and hearing these stories about how we just really need to hold strong because Ripple coming in at 47.7 cents. That's up 2.66% at the moment. We got Bitcoin Cash seeing 743. That's up 6.4%. So, I mean, they're gaining it back. And like I said, these altcoins, they lost it quite a bit over the weekend. They're gaining it back a little bit, faster because Bitcoin didn't take quite as big as a hit as they did. We got EOS. They're at $8.01 at the moment. They're up 8.8% at the moment. That's not too bad. Litecoin, wow, $80. That's a pretty cheap buy as far as I'm concerned. That's up 3.7%. Let me see. What do we got with Stellar Lumas? 19.2 cents. And that's up 3.3%. So, I mean, like I said, they're getting there. They're gaining. What are we going to see? Is this just a little bit of a rebound before we go crashing back down and seeing all-time lows again? I don't know. I hope not, you guys. Let me see. And where are we? Cardano, 13.2 cents. And that's a 5% gain. Let's get down here and see how I'm doing with my Steam and Steam-backed dollars. All right, Steam at $1.30. Ouch, that kind of sucks. And that's up 2.9%. It needs to get going. And we got the Steam back dollar coming in at $1.04. It had gotten down there to the dollar mark. That's up 1.7%. So if we were using this as our metrics, then we touched the bottom. I'm seeing mixed feelings about that situation on, Steam at the platform, whether or not we should even continue using the Steam back dollar, or if we should just, drop back to only using Steam. I don't know. I don't necessarily have the correct answer on that one. Unfortunately, Samantha's not here with us today to be able to take care of the chat for me. We are looking at her being able to join us throughout the rest of this week. The downside of this, though, is that I won't be able to do a Saturday show for you guys. I'm taking off Friday to Chicago to go help my brother move down here. Super stoked about all of that. It's going to be awesome having some family living nearby. Also help out here with the compound I got going. So no Saturday show. I'll be able to shoot you a Friday show, though, because I won't be taking off till the afternoon. So before I head out to the airport, I'll definitely be hopping on here at 9:30 like usual to give you guys a live show. All right. So what do we got going on here with the news? Well, man, did you guys realize that there was 44 Bitcoin forks in the last 10 months? I mean, and a majority of them are money grabs. I mean, we got a few of them that are, above the top 200, like, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Private and Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold. But besides that, I mean, we're looking at all kinds of crazy ones down there below the 200, like Bitcoin Pizza, Bitcoin Candy, Bitcoin God. They're all money grabs, and it just seems like that they're out there. They got money grabs and then phishing scams on top of it. So I definitely just want to, I'm hearing from people talking about, they were asking me, I had gotten some emails, and I had also come across this article at about the same time, wanting me to help them split coins. The first couple ones, if they're in the top 200, yes, I can see taking the time to split your coins, especially if you don't have a lot of Bitcoin and you're definitely looking for a way to help your Bitcoin grow. If you're looking like you have under the Bitcoin or under a half a Bitcoin. But these smaller ones, they're not worth it. It's not worth risking your private keys in order to claim these. I mean, you're dealing with some backwater exchanges that you're getting into some real risky business that you're going to have to be dealing with in order to go and trade these out. So, you know, please don't ask me to help you split your coins on these. I don't even know. I didn't do any of these for myself. I didn't even know there was a Bitcoin candy. I thought that's quite funny. I mean, we have so many cryptocurrencies out there. It's gotten ridiculous. And that's been, you know, one of the ongoing topics of why the cryptocurrency market can't get going more, why the Bitcoin price is being suppressed. I mean, we got 1,586 coins, you know, listed on CoinMarketCap alone. And as they say, CoinMarketCap is slightly manipulated by the people that own it because not all the coins are listed there. So, I mean, how many coins are there really in existence? How many people are out there with true blockchain products that are being produced to be able to help further the advancement of mankind and all of this good stuff? And how many of them are out there just trying to, you know, see if they can't get a little blockchain going and get a hold of your private keys or be able to get you, you know, dump the bags on you, as they say. So why are you investing in cryptocurrency? Why are you really here? What is your, you know, point in all of this? You know, are you one of those people that are just trying to save a little bit of money every paycheck? Are you one of those people that has $5, $10, $15, $20,000 and you're trying to invest in these different ICOs because you have the feeling that you're going to do a better return than if you're investing in the stock market? You know, I'm not here to tell people what to do. You know, I just want to see people do what's best for them. And the green-eyed monster of greed can always get in the way. You know, only take what you need sometimes. When you go for that extra mile, sometimes you get burned. All right, so let's get back to the other topic. We're looking at a coin taking a 40% gain today. Well, I mean, that's great for those holders, right? Let's see, what do I got? I got Cortex Labs with their coin CTXC taking a 36% gain today. They're up at the 86th ranking of a coin. They're coming in at 80 or at 68 cents. Most what I found on is that they had an article that was also tweeted out where they went ahead and they used their AI algorithm that they're calling Random Forest, like the name, definitely. They're saying the Random Forest technique goes ahead and does, like, you know, those tree mappings and attacks it in a different way. And due to this AI processing it, you know, a lot of times, I don't remember what the number was, some big one with a bunch of zeros. They were saying that they were able to come out with all these different statistics and then better statistics as you move along if you see certain patterns arising and who's in the fourth quarter and all of this. I really don't know all that much about sports. I'm not a big sports person, so I didn't even actually know all that much. I knew that the soccer stuff was getting big right now and that it was moving forward towards some sort of a World Cup. Didn't realize it was in Russia this Friday, but they're predicting that we're going to see Brazil, Germany, and then Spain. If you just go over and type in CTXC at CoinMarketCap, go over to their social media feed. It's like the #1 article right there. They posted it like 3 hours ago, probably 45 minutes to an hour ago when I had, you know, wrote up these notes or whatever. I mean, mixed feelings on AI. I mean, it'll be awesome if it works, kind of scary at the same time. Whether or not they have anything that's an actual, like, working great AI at the moment, I don't know. You know, I'm into cryptocurrencies. I'm not big into the AI stuff. All right, so let me see. I see you guys are right in the chat. No Sam today. Like I said, unfortunately, she's off punching that time clock. She had to be there super early this morning. She'll be out around noon today. But she is looking at joining us, I think, the rest of the days of the week because she's working evening shifts. But like I said, there will be no Saturday show due to the fact that I'll be driving cross country with my brother. All right. Besides that, you guys, I don't really got much more on the news. A lot of people are talking about a few different things. I think I seen that, you know, there was a little bit of a puff piece thinking that South Korea was going to be charging a 10% tax on its residents for cryptocurrency trading. And then that turned out to not be true. I mean, besides that, you know, people talking about Ethereum and, you know, getting going with some more scaling debates, EOS and the 27 accounts that are linked to the other 7 accounts that are hold, you know, but that's Ethereum's defense mechanism. So I'm not going to sit here and bash them for that. That if you read the white papers, if you invested, you should have known that that was what was going to be happening. People are definitely looking for reasons to attack that chain. I'm out here. I want all cryptocurrency to do great. I just happen to hold Bitcoin because I trust it. All right, you guys. Well, I got all kinds of links, tools, rules, affiliation codes, and all that good stuff listed down there below. I got donational addresses. But hey, you know what the best thing you can do is? You can come on over to Steam. You can upvote my post. You can comment down below. I will go ahead and upvote that with my full power. That's the best way I can give back to you. As always, though, I got, you know, my free email desk, or my free help desk is, you know, through my emails at eugeneforrest20@gmail.com. Please shoot me those emails. Let me know what you got going on. Let me know what you're thinking. Comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking about the show. Tell me what you think I can do to make it better. Tell me what you guys are thinking about this Steam back dollar situation with it getting back to the dollar. Do you think the Steam platform should be completely doing away with the Steam back dollar now? And that we should all just be investing into Steam to be able to help get the price of it motivated and going? Because I know a lot of you guys have Steam at platform, or have Steam at accounts. You know, it's growing over there. It's one of the most transactions happening per minute and seconds out there. So it's been pretty good. You know, I wasn't really happy with the things that had happened to me recently with the bots and stuff, and I had to readjust some of my money based on those feelings. But hey, it's all good. You know, I'm not mad at anybody over there. It's great. It's starting to pick back up again. But yeah, tune in tomorrow. I'll be here 9:30 as always. And remember, keep your Bitcoin safe. Great day.